Nexar Pro, also known as the best value dashcam available on the market in 2023. The real advantage of the Nexar Pro system is that you get free cloud storage for your growing collection of driving videos, GPS data recording to help with insurance claims, plus some great tools right in the camera and app combo. You'll need to upgrade to the latest Nexar 1 model to take advantage of 4K video, but the 1080p Full HD present here is just fine. You can also upgrade to a larger micro SD card if needed. Although the drive comes with 32 gigabytes to start with, the cameras are mounted on the windscreen using the front camera holder, which has a GPS data unit as part of the kit. Meanwhile, the smaller indoor unit is attached with a self-adhesive sticker. Also included is a large 9-foot cable, a USB plug for the charger, and installation hardware to hide the wiring if needed. The Nexar app is required for the dual camera setup to work. It's also where you can adjust settings, including the amount of space allocated for video storage on your phone. The app also has some handy tools, including the ability to generate reports for your insurer in the event of an accident. This includes speed, location, impact force, and of course video for it all. When it comes to results, we found 1080p video content to be very impressive, both during the day and at night. Audio can also be enabled if required. The outdoor camera also does well in less than ideal shooting situations, such as heavy rain and bright sun. A big plus of the Nexar range is the cloud space that you get as part of the contract. You can manage content here using a web browser from home for ease of use. This is very useful as you can double check if there is an unforeseen event that happens after the trip. Thumbs up, that's for sure.